welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the first of our Summer Sides series. We're going to be talking about some dishes that you can have along with your cookouts, picnics, family get-togethers. As the days begin to get warmer, we're going to be doing more of that kind of grill out type of meal. And I thought I'd share with you some sides. Some of them you've heard of, I'm sure, many. But we'll try to do a little bit different, and some things that are good for you as well as good. Now, the first side we're going to be doing is a salad. Now, salads are a staple on a picnic table. Potato salad, macaroni salad, coleslaw, tossed salad, potato salad, all kinds of salads, and they're wonderful. But today we're going to be doing a little bit different, and I've made this before, but I'm using a Weight Watchers recipe this time, so it's a little bit different than the ones I've made before, but not much. There's very little difference, truthfully. So I'm going to start off by creating the salad. You do it kind of in a few stages, depending on when you're going to eat, and I'll share with you the ingredients that you need to make the ramen noodle salad. Back in just a minute. Okay, let's see if we can see all these ingredients here. We're going to need some coleslaw. I have a bag of coleslaw here. Now I think I'm going to make half a recipe because there's only the two of us. And this makes a big salad, so you'll have plenty to share with all of your friends and relatives. Then we're going to need some green onions, and I have some green onions here that will come out of the bag. There we go. And I will need 4 green onions. Well, it calls for 4. I'm going to use 2 because I'm going to make half of the recipe. Okay. It calls for some sunflower kernels, some sliced almonds, rice wine vinegar. There's a fly in here, he's driving me crazy. Soy sauce. It called for canola oil. I'm going to use olive oil. Some sweetener. This is Splenda sweetener. And a package of the ramen chicken flavored soup mix. And we're going to start by putting the coleslaw in the bowl. I had a pair of scissors here a minute ago. And I'm going to put you down just a little bit. There we go. Do half of this bag. Okay, and to that, we're going to add the green onions. I need to sharpen my knife. And basically that's all you need to do with the salad part right now. A couple of those onions didn't slice through, and we don't want a big hunk of onion. There we go. The next thing we're going to do is take a small bowl and make the salad dressing. I'm going to make the whole salad dressing because it's too hard to separate out the ingredients. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of oil. An eighth of a cup of rice wine vinegar. I didn't get my little eighth of a cup out. Five teaspoons of the Splenda, or whatever you're using for sweetener. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And I've got a new bottle that's not open yet. One teaspoon. And that's all you need for the dressing right now. Now this part here you could do the day before. I will put this in a little jar after a bit when we're getting to the last part of it and shake it. I'm going to refrigerate this. I'm going to refrigerate this. When it gets to be half hour before we're going to eat, I'm going to add the almonds and the sunflower kernels and the ramen soup noodles crushed up into the salad dish. And I'm going to add the chicken flavor packet into my dressing. So I'll be back a little bit later when it's time for us to get this ready for dinner. It's a little early for us right now, but we'll be having it in a couple of hours. So I'll see you back when we're ready to eat. Okay, for now, about a half hour before you're going to serve, you want to open your noodles, and it says to break these up and add them. I'm going to add half because I'm really making half a recipe. So you just want to crunch them up and get them in there best you can. And it might take a little effort here. I could have just used my meat mallet and banged them. I probably should have, but we'll do it this way. This is a nice crispy salad. Now the only difference between this and the way I've made it before is I would take these and put them in a fry pan with a good serving of butter and kind of toast them. But we're just going to avoid that step. And there we go. also going to add the sliced almonds. And the sunflower kernels. That I didn't get open. And it calls for 1/4 cup of both, but of course I'm making half a recipe, so I'm using 1/8 of a cup of both. And I keep these in the refrigerator to keep them from going bad. And I have my dressing I put in here, and to that I'm going to add the chicken flavor packet. Now we'll add some of this to the salad. And I thought I brought out a fork, I brought out a spoon. And it says to refrigerate this now for half an hour. And you know that anytime you make coleslaw, you need to let it refrigerate a little bit after you put the dressing on, because otherwise it's just sitting on the top of the cabbage. There you go. Nice looking salad. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'll be back in just a couple of minutes to show you how I'm going to serve it. Okay, now, if you're going to go to your cookout or your family party, you fill a nice bowl of this, and there you go. But add a little protein, and you've got a whole dinner. And that's how we're going to serve it tonight. I have some shrimp that, actually what I did is I put these shrimp in the jar that had the leftover dressing in it, shook it up to marinate them a little bit, put them in my air fryer for about, well, by the time it preheated, they were cooked. And then I've added a little bit of strawberries to the top. And there's a nice dinner, and especially for a summertime dinner. So let me just see if I can get a taste test for you. It looks delicious. I'm going to get some of the salad. I'll do the salad first, and then I'll go back and get a piece of shrimp. That is insanely good. Oh my word. That is so good. One more on the salad. and good for you. I can't tell you. It's just delicious. So give this a try. A summer Asian ramen noodle salad. Scrumptious. All right. I'm going to eat the rest of this. I'll let you all go. I'll see you again on Tuesday. Until then, everybody have a great day. Stay safe, play by the rules, and everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.